me up, I'm on the clock. Put me on top, everybody drop.
Eyes, nose, mouth, ears, head, hand, leg. These organs are present in outside the body. It is called external organ. Some body parts present inside the body. It is called internal organ.
And this
Brain is an important organ of your body. There's three parts: forebrain, midbrain, hindbrain. Brain is the commanding center of your body. Lungs is the pair of spongy, sac-like organs. It helps breathing.
my life is in this town, and I.
The heart is the pumping organ. It lies in between the lungs. The heart beats about 72 times in a minute.
Think that I am crazy, but I don't want the crown. My life is in this.
Stomach is a J-shaped bag found below the lung. It contains special juice.
Peace, love, and soul.
About you are same. There are 206 bones are present in our body. My body parts. If we can follow brain, sleep 8 hours. Heart. Avoid fat food. Stomach. Eating healthy food on time. Kidney. Drink more water. Bones and muscles. Exercise regularly.
Think that I am crazy, but I don't want the crown. My life is in this town, and I.
Thank you.
Just an ordinary person.